this is the weapons mod, and I have my bullets here. You may be wondering, Draylen, why you have bullets, but cardboard doesn't work on bullets? This gun. Okay, anyways. Let me just use the weapons first. You might be saying, like, why can a knife work on a fool? Yes. Kinda. Just watch. Yeah, see, it worked for him. I might just, yeah. Now, pipe. You could use this as a Gmod. How the? Yeah, that's stupid. Pistols. Oh, I like that sound. Yo. Okay. Damn, that's the neatest damage. Okay, another pistol. Oh, wow. Nice. Alright, let's do the rifles. How is he not dead? Oh. He was getting close. Wait. Let me aim. But that aim has to start. Okay. Oh. Ah, yes. Everyone's gonna be favorite, the shotgun. Let's see, I can shoot him far. Or. No! Oh, well. Well, if you like it, you can shoot yourself. Okay, you can shoot yourself though. That means Russian roulette. Wait, let me clear the table. One second. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15. So I need to get to 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Alright. But this is good.
Hello!
Ah! Wait, why I'm still recording?